Hello, UTE warriors. How are you all doing? Want to build muscle effectively, but not sure where to start? With so much information out there, it can be overwhelming to find a reliable and effective strategy. The key to building muscle lies in understanding the right combination of exercise, nutrition, and recovery. Today, we're diving into how to build muscle effectively and its significance. Building muscle is not just about lifting heavy weights, it's about adopting a comprehensive approach that includes proper training, nutrition, and rest. Let's explore the essential steps you need to take for effective muscle growth. Benefits. Here are the key steps to building muscle effectively and their benefits. Consistent strength training. Significance. Progressive overload is essential for muscle growth. By gradually increasing the weight, reps, or intensity of your workouts, you stimulate muscle hypertrophy. Tip. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. Aim for 3-4 strength training sessions per week. Proper nutrition. Significance. Adequate protein intake is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for intense workouts, while healthy fats support overall health. Tip. Consume a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, chicken, fish, tofu, complex carbohydrates, whole grains, vegetables, and healthy fats, avocados, nuts. Consider protein supplements if needed. Sufficient rest and recovery. Significance. Muscles grow during rest periods, not during workouts. Adequate rest and sleep are vital for recovery and growth. Tip. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night and incorporate rest days into your training schedule. Listen to your body and allow time for recovery. Stay hydrated. Significance. Hydration is essential for overall health and muscle function. It helps transport nutrients to your muscles and supports recovery. Tip. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Monitor progress. Significance. Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and make necessary adjustments to your training and nutrition plan. Tip. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to record your exercises, weights, and repetitions. Regularly assess your progress and set new goals. Examples. Let's take an example. Meet Rahul. Rahul wanted to build muscle effectively but felt stuck in his routine. By following a structured strength training program, improving his nutrition, and prioritizing rest and recovery, he saw significant gains. Rahul tracked his progress and adjusted his workouts as needed. Over time, he built lean muscle, improved his strength, and felt more confident in his fitness journey. Call to action. Now it's your turn, Ute Warriors. Start implementing these strategies to build muscle effectively and achieve your fitness goals. Share your progress and tips with us in the comments below or tag us using Ute Warriors Fitness. Let's support each other in achieving strong and healthy bodies. That's it for today, UT Warriors. Keep shining, keep earning, and as always, stay unstoppable. Catch you in the next one.